Nio has taken off. Is it too late to buy? It's Marco here and welcome back to All About EVs, analysis and news on all EV stocks. Nio is heading to the moon! At the time of recording, we are approaching the $30 mark, and this is insane if you think that last March the stock was valued $3. So what happened? Is Nio buy now? I guess the only way to decide is to look at the latest news on Nio stock. Like this one, JP Morgan sees Nio as an attractive long-term bet. Nick Lay has increased the price target and they now think we are going to hit $40. The analyst also thinks that Nio will further increase their market share to 7% by 2025. As I mentioned in my previous video, the market share for Nio is now around 5%, and that is of a market that is growing by the day. What it means in practice is that ICE vehicles are facing a meltdown in favor of electric vehicles like Nio. The analyst also expects that the gross profit for Nio in the third quarter will increase by a whopping 50%. And on top of that, Nio's orders are through the roof and they actually have a massive orders backlog. And JP Morgan is not the only one. Citigroup has just joined the party with another bullish theory. They boosted their stock price by 82%. Citigroup believes we are going to soar above $33, and this price increase was basically driven by the belief that margin has improved dramatically for Nio. And if this is not bullish, I don't know what is. But it doesn't stop there. You have a look at CNN Business and 9 analysts out of 15 tell you that Nio is a buy now. And they also expect the low price target, yes, the low price target, to be $44. We are going to $44, maybe. More on that later. They also think that in the next 12 months, Nio will hit $269. And I'm just wondering what sort of drugs they do to come up with these numbers. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I've got a stake in Nio and I would love to hit $269. I can go as far as saying that if we hit $100, I will throw a Nio party, drinks on me, and you're all invited. So is that it? We are going to the moon and there is no stopping. Probably no, guys. Stocks don't go up in a straight line, and this article warns us from a potential turbulence. The volume of call options went through the roof recently. And just like stocks, a huge demand of call options can drive up the price of the underlying stock. And in a nutshell, high option volumes can be a heads up that the stock is making a big move. But the real question is, will the next move be upward or downward? This is a tricky question, and this article gives us an answer. Sadly, there is no surefire way to know if an options trade is a standalone position or an edge. And in a nutshell, an edge is when big investors have an opposite position open. Let's say that they have a massive short open. So what they do, they buy a bunch of Nio calls to reduce their risk. So in this example, if they have a big short and a bunch of calls, what they're going to do is, if the price goes up, they would sell their calls to make some money and cover the loss of their short. And in the case of Nio, these options could be institutional hedges, maybe trying to cover their shorts. One thing that stands out is the RSI. Nio is overbought, and in the past, that has proven to be a great leading indicator for Nio. And if you don't know what the RSI is, don't worry, you just need to know that it goes from 0 to 100. And when it's above 80, it means that the stock is overbought and a pullback is due. So the question becomes, how big the pullback is going to be? So the answer is nobody knows. It might be very small, it might not happen at all, and instead we could consolidate around the $28 mark for a while before exploding upward. Anything is possible, and what I'm going to do is to wait for the RSI to get to a more reasonable value before buying more Nio. And the reason why is that I'm trying to keep the risk of my portfolio as low as possible. But if, unlike me, you are patient and you can wait before seeing your position in the green, then just buy and forget about it. If instead you would like to check the RSI for free, I will talk you through how to access it, and there are no strings attached, I promise. Now head over to Google and type Yahoo Finance Nio chart and click on the first link. Once you are in the chart, click on the indicator icon and then on RSI. This pop-up will come up and you can simply press save. Bob's your uncle, there you go. The RSI is the line at the bottom of the chart. Subscribe if you like this video and you want the latest news on EV stocks. And also let me know if you like this format of video. And again, if you're looking for an EV stock that has grown a lot, consider Workhorse. The video on the screen right now is about all the reasons to be bullish or bearish on Workhorse. Pick an explosive stock. Click on the video.